Let me ask you a real question. If something happened to you tomorrow, would your family have a clear plan or would it be a legal scavenger hunt? Because that difference often comes down to one document, a revocable living trust. Today, I'm going to break down what a revocable living trust actually is, what it does and what it doesn't, and who really needs one, actually, sooner than they think. So, what is a revocable living trust? A revocable living trust is a legal structure that holds your assets while you're alive, and it clearly defines who controls them if you've been incapacitated or if you pass away. For this trust, you're usually the grantor, which means that you created it. You're the trustee, which means that you control it, and the beneficiary, who establishes who benefits from it. That's the revocable part. You can change it, you can update it, you can amend it, or you could revoke it entirely. Basically, in plain English, it gives you control without giving up flexibility. So, what does a revocable trust actually do? Well, here's what it's good at. Number one, it helps you avoid probate. Probate is slow, it's public, it's expensive, and it's stressful. A properly funded trust keeps your assets out of court and out of public records. It's also incapacity planning. If you're alive but unable to make your decisions, your successor trustee steps in without court involvement. And thirdly, it helps you centralize your assets, including your real estate, your investment accounts, your business interests, and everything flows from one coordinated plan. Then it creates clarity for your family. There's no guessing, there's no fighting, no what do we do now moments. So, what does a revocable trust not do? And this is important. A revocable living trust does not eliminate estate taxes by itself. It does not protect your assets from creditors. It does not replace proper beneficiary planning. And it does not work if you never fund it. So, a trust sitting empty is just a very expensive Word document. Its execution matters. So, who should consider a revocable trust? Well, you don't need to be ultra wealthy. A trust makes sense if you own real estate, if you have children or dependents, if you own a business or partnership interest, or if you want privacy around your assets, you want to avoid probate chaos, and you care about control and legacy. If you've built anything of value, a trust is basically about protecting your effort, not just your money. So, what are some common mistakes that people make? Well, here's where people mess this up: creating a trust, but never actually funding it, forgetting to retitle their accounts, naming the wrong successor trustee, not coordinating your beneficiaries, or setting it up once and actually never reviewing it again. A trust is not a set it and forget it document. It's a living strategy. At Fortitude Financial, we actually help clients decide if a trust actually makes sense. We help coordinate trust with investments and beneficiaries, and we help people avoid common and expensive estate planning mistakes. If you want to understand whether a revocable living trust fits your situation, we can start with a conversation. So visit the link down in the description, fortitudefinancial.co, to learn more. Estate planning isn't just about death. It's about control, clarity, and protecting the people that you care about. If this video helped you at all, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.